Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a token on Tonkeeper wallet. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I've got the Tonkeeper app downloaded and installed on my mobile device. So when you open up the app, you're going to face a screen that looks like this, and you're going to have a wallet created. So after doing some Googling, I've come by this article on KuCoin website and found this question. How do I add a token to my Tonkeeper wallet? It says that to add a token to your Tonkeeper wallet, navigate to the wallet's main interface and select the option to add a new asset. You can then search for the token by its name or the contract address and add it to your wallet for easy management and transactions. However, when I came back to my Tonkeeper wallet, I couldn't find this option to add a new asset anywhere, but I found this browser button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If you press on it, you're going to find a lot of things like NFT, exchanges, DeFi, etc. However, unfortunately, there is no actual option to add a token. Your only option is to press onto this search box underneath and try to enter a token's contract address, and hopefully you'll find something on how to add this to your Tonkeeper wallet. But in conclusion, I don't think it's quite possible yet. Maybe there'll be updates for the Tonkeeper app and they will add that option. But until then, you're going to need to wait and stay updated. So that is it. That is how to add a token to Tonkeeper wallet. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.